welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I'm Lexi. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. I am a YouTuber. I have my own business, all that good stuff. Check out my other videos to, see what I do, all my DIYs. My Instagram, all my other social media is like on that little link of my YouTube like cover photo if you want to go to my channel. But yeah, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I ship as a small business from home. It's actually really easy. I was really like confused at first. Like, trust me, you're not the only one. It was really confusing to me, and I would look up a whole bunch of videos and nobody would really tell me like what I really needed to know. So I'm just going to show you how I ship from home using whether somebody pays me via Cash App, Venmo, even Facebook Pay, Apple Pay, all that way, like whatever way they pay me. I'm going to show you how I ship it using PayPal. PayPal is really easy to like learn, and I have a video showing how I ship from there. Obviously, I'll be doing a voiceover for the rest of this video. But yeah, if you've never been to my channel before, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, I'm trying to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, pretty much you're just gonna need a PayPal. There is like this other website called Pirate, but honestly, my cat is trying to mess with my light. No, kitty. Pretty much, I never used it. I heard it's just as good as PayPal. Like, a lot of people use it when they use Shopify. I use Big Cartel, but I mean, I know a lot of people who have Shopify. Kitty, go. I know a lot of people who use Shopify also do use PayPal, I'm pretty sure. And sorry guys, my forehead's like red. I keep touching it. But yeah, and then I also show you how I ship from my website using Big Cartel. Really easy. It pretty much anybody who orders on Big Cartel, like, it already makes the shipping label for them, which I will show you all of that in this voiceover. I just kind of want to do a little talk just so you guys, like, I don't know, I just feel like face to face, like I could talk to you better or like explain it better too a little bit. But yeah, I show how I weigh my packages. All you need is a kitchen scale. You don't really need a shipping scale. I use a kitchen scale. It's pretty much the same thing, and it's cheaper. Like, I got mine for like $10 off Amazon. I will link it in the description box. I'm pretty sure they still sell that one. If they don't, I will link one that is just like it, and it's pretty much the same price, maybe like $1 or $2 more. But yeah, pretty much I just show how I do that. I also show how I print using a label printer, or I also show how to print using just regular sticker paper and a printer. And it's simple, easy, and it's cheap. You don't gotta go buy you a label printer. But I also want to say I do rent my label printer. It's awesome, but I mean, I really only use it for Etsy. I haven't hooked it up to my PayPal yet, which maybe I will in the future. But yeah, guys, I hope this video is helpful, and let's get in this video. Okay, so you're going to want to go to paypal.com, and if you don't have a business account already on there, you're going to want to make one. So you're going to want to hit sign up, business account. But if you already have a PayPal account and want to make it a business account, you go to your settings, like your account settings, and you pretty much just change it. There's like an option for it. But I'm just showing you this is how you get to the sign up for the business account if you don't have a PayPal at all. But I already have a PayPal, a business one. I'm just going to log into mine. And then once we get into my PayPal, we are going to go to the App Center. See, the shipping label thing is right there for me because I use it all the time. But anyways, you're going to want to go to the App Center right there. Hit all apps, manage your PayPal apps. And once you click that, you can scroll down and see your quick links if they're not showing like when you first go in. Or you can go to search apps and then just put multi-order shipping or just shipping in general. And then you're going to want to hit it and then hit multiple PayPal orders. You're going to hit the middle one. And then you're going to hit create shipment. Right now, I'm just showing you how to make a shipping label. Pretty much just if somebody paid you with Cash App or Venmo or even cash, this is how you do it. So you're going to put in your address, which is above in that black box. I just kind of put it off. And then you're going to put the customer's first and last name, their address. I'm just putting in random stuff right now, just so I don't give out my customers' information. I just put Chicago, Illinois, and then I put a zip code. And then you're going to want to hit 2 to 5 day shipping. It's a lot cheaper than 1 to 3 day. You can do 1 to 3 day depending on how much you have them pay, but I'm only doing 2 to 5. And then I'm showing you right here how to weigh your product, so you know how to weigh it and put it into the shipping label process, you know. So I just weighed the product and it says 1.8. So I just rounded up to 2. So when I go back to my PayPal account, I am going to set it as 2 ounces for the package weight. But then you're going to hit create shipment, done. And then put in my customer's real addresses just to give them privacy. And just now I'm going to show you what you would do after you do fill it out with the real, you know, information. You're going to select both of them and then click whatever card you have hooked up to your PayPal account, and then you're going to pay now. And also, if you have a PayPal balance, it'll take from your PayPal balance if you rather would do that. I just wanted to use my card for this. So once I hit done, I'm going to hit print shipping labels. And then I'm going to click the print shipping label, like pages, and then it's going to pop up here. And guys, I'm just putting them black boxes so you don't see nobody's address. And then I was just making sure it was going to my printer. And don't mind my dirty printer. I have a daughter that likes to touch everything. But right here, I have my sticker paper. And I got that off Amazon. I will link in the description box. I just cut it in half. And I stuck it in way too far, apparently. And I'm going to pull it back out. Push it in like that. You can always just put the full sheet in there, whatever you want to do. I just cut it in half to save, you know, more paper. And then it starts to ship my labels. And then once my shipping labels are done, I am going to cut them just around the box. You only have to keep the PayPal a little low at the bottom. But right now I'm just showing you how I package my stuff. Hand sanitizer is key, guys. Don't forget. And these are some nails somebody ordered, and I love them, guys. Hit me up for nails or whatever. If you want some tutorial on some, let me know. So yeah, I'm just pretty much just showing you how I package this order here. And guys, I need to get labels for my nail boxes. This is like my first set I really mailed out ever. So yes, this is my first process of it. Obviously, it does not fit in this Ziploc bag. I got the Ziploc bag off of Amazon, by the way, and I got them too big, but they kind of work okay for nail boxes. But yes, I usually get smaller sizes, but I ended up ordering different ones on accident. But yeah, guys, I'm just pretty much getting this ready, and then I'm going to into the bubble mailer I got. I got my bubble mailers off Amazon. I use Amazon for everything. I will put a link to them in the description box. I love everything black. I don't know, it's just black's my favorite color, and kind of just to go with my theme. But anyways, I'm going to put it into the bubble mailer. They have a whole bunch of different sizes and colors on Amazon. I mean, there's other websites where you can get bubble mailers, but I just choose Amazon because it just comes faster. I have Prime. But anyways, I'm just going to seal my package like so. You can always tape it if you feel like it's not fully sealed. But these bubble mailers are really nice, and you know, I've never had a problem with them. So I'm just showing you how I weigh it again. If you like just need a reference, this is how you weigh it. You want to weigh it after it is in the package. But when you put it like into the shipping label like stuff where it asks for the weight and stuff. So anyways, I am going to cut the shipping labels, and if you want to skip through this, you can. I just show how I cut them. It's really simple and easy, and honestly, guys, it's so cheap shipping from home. Like, if you go and ship at the post office, I believe it's like $5 or $4 or something, and it's only like $2 something from home, depending on the where it's going and the weight of it all. It calculates everything for you, so you don't have to. But yeah, I'm just showing you this is what it looks like when it's done. And now I'm going to put the shipping label on this package. And yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. It seems so confusing to me at first, like, and now, guys, it's like it's super easy. Like, you'll get the hang of it, trust me. And I actually love shipping from home. It's just you don't gotta go to the post office, worry about touching any, doorknobs or getting into places. This whole COVID thing. But anyways, you're gonna want to go to Big Cartel or whatever website you do have. I'm just showing you right here how I ship using my website. Just going to view my orders that I have here and look up the name that I need to find in my PayPal. So I'm just gonna go back to how I did it. I'm gonna go to my App Center, type in multi-order shipping, hit the little middle tab there, and then go all the way to the bottom of like my shipping label tab there. And pretty much just find the name that I'm looking for. And then I'm going to select 2 to 5 day shipping, the package type, and then 2 ounces because that's how much the package weighed. And then once I do that, I'm going to pay for it and yeah, and print it. Pretty much it's the same process as if somebody paid you with, like a card or Cash App, but instead everything's already filled out from Big Cartel with their address and everything. So you don't have to do the address like part, but you do have to fill out like how much it weighs and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just showing you how I package this package from my website. She ordered some labels, I believe 40 labels. Yes, 40 labels, and they are my top selling product, guys. If you ever need labels for your business, whether you sell lip gloss, whether you sell like eyelashes, or even if you sell just anything and you want, a label on it, hit me up. I have an Etsy, I have a website, and everything will be in my description box, like I said before. But yeah, guys, that's how I package this. I seal it, and then I'm going to cut my label like so. And yeah, I do have a label printer, but I used sticker paper for PayPal because I haven't hooked up my label printer to it yet. But yeah, pretty much you just cut around the box, and it's pretty easy, guys. Like I said before, you will get the hang of it. So now I'm just placing my label onto my package, and it will be done and ready to go out. I set it by my mailbox because I have like a mailbox downstairs, and the mail lady takes it, or you can always drop it off into the blue box at the post office, or the post office. Just go in and they'll scan it in for you. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is helpful, please let me know if you like any other videos. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy shipping from home, and I hope this definitely helped you and made it not as confusing, because it is confusing at first. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.